here's the first attempt of Dion Thompson, the veteran, 36 years old. 2010 pa graduate sa UNC, and University of North Carolina. So he's a veteran, Doc, been all over the world.
Big-time players.
Three doesn't drop. Kalen Johnson keeps it alive. Goes up strong. Lefty finish para kay Kalen Johnson. And that's a 12-4 score on the board, which prompts Coach Mansour to call a timeout. Watch this. Chung to Clark in the paint.
That's money.
Yeah, soft touch.
That's a good set play because there was a forced switch and he had a small man as he dove into the basket.
And they needed a bucket because they were down 8 already. Lemeti lose. Thompson had to clarify with the referees, and it looks like he understood.
Oh, and that's an N1 play. Santi starting off very well here with 7 points already. Medyo baliktad naman yung ginawa niya ngayon.
Yeah.
Sa Persak, ibinubuhos na niya.
Do something, kicks to Chow. This time, Chow knocks it in.
5 points in the ball game na ito. Dapat yung kanina pasok rin.
No.
But like I said, he has among the big men, siyang magaling na.
Look, you know, if
They're
you're
hoping
in their
that
side.
Blankley will start scoring.
Oh, but then, Andre Caracos, wala pang 10 seconds sa loob, Doc. Nakatres na agad.
So they've gotten 2-3 points pumasok.
Oh, he gets it back. And he puts it in, chance for a 3-point play. And Zhu, so disappointed with what happened there. They couldn't control the board. And look at the Coach Mansour.
Yeah, he controlled the ball. Tira na siya.
Si Chow, nice spin. Oh, look at that move from Raymond Chow.
7 points already in the ball game and a possibility of an N1 play. This guy's getting better. You know, slowly but surely, ito si Chow. Nakikita mo talagang pagaling.
Nice fake from Clark.
Very experienced player, no? He's setting his pivot foot and getting the defensive player to bite. Lineti is, by the way, starting for rain or shine together with Larino. We go to Dion.
Kicks it out to Datu. Corner 3, Docomo. Yun
Yes.
na, pumasok na para kay Adrian.
Great extra pass given there by itong si Datu, and good relocation on the part of Docomo from strong side.
Belga to the hoop, plus the foul.
Yan ang sinasabi natin, veteran na yan. Bago gumawa ng kilo si Belga, parang kalkulado. Alam naman niya, wala namang big man dito na hihinto sa kanya.
Ilang year na ba ni Belga ito sa league?
Kulang sa lakas.
So si Clark will go again.
Ito walang
Oh, he puts that one in. Draws the foul. Chance for the 3-point play. You know, kumbaga may swag na talaga to si Cameron Clark kasi he's done it here twice already. Third time he's playing in the PBA. Ildefonso now sees the opening. He'll barrel his way in. Basket is good for Sean. Gives out a shout. His teammates greet him as he heads back to the bench because the lead is a poste. Datu will face, take the jumper. That's his type of game.
laki ng team niyan. Datu, Santi,
Thompson.
Import, Thompson, Ildefonso, who's not a natural two-rounder.
Sheik will try to go baseline. He'll step back. Jumper is good. Meron talaga eh. May kamay ito si Sheik talaga.
Sulaiman, tama ba yun?
Oh, Sheik Sulaiman.
Yeah. Baka milyonaryo yan. Milyonaryo.
A miss. And look at that. Sonny Ildefonso flying in the air. Getting fouled as well. He's a chance to get a 3-point play. Just higher energy though.
Ever since his entry into the game.
Laro mo to, tuloy sa kampeonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapisyonado.